Linus Projects, the ultimate solution.
We are pleased to introduce you to a brief video of the project titled Lubricating Oil Blending Plant. It will be a self-sufficient lubricant blending plant that is being built to world-class standards with state-of-the-art equipment, with the expectations of being second to none in the whole of Africa. Self-sufficient in the sense that the plant will manufacture its own 1 liter, 4 liter, 25 liter, and 200 liter plastic containers and caps using ultra-modern plastic manufacturing facilities. The contract is being executed by one of the leading OEM partners, titled Linus Projects, India, as a turnkey project manager to supply, install, and commission all the main and ancillary equipment required for its operations. The plant is designed to produce about 64,000 liters per day of all grades of lubricants, including synthetic oils. The IMC building will consist of a lube oil plant, a plastic manufacturing plant, and other future projects like chemicals and home care products manufacturing plant, base oil unloading process, quality base oils procured from reputable sources and refineries are transported to the site in Bayelsa State of Nigeria. The first thing to be done after getting base oil to the site is to check the full truck weight by using the weighbridge system to determine the quantity of the product, as well as to take samples to the ultra-modern laboratory for quality analysis and certification. Once the product meets the required quality parameters, it is transferred to the base oil storage tanks using the base oil unloading pumps. Base oil transfer to blenders, ABB. The required base oil, as based on the formulation, will be transferred from the tank farm to automatic batch blenders, ABB, with the aid of the ultra-modern, centrally controlled, fully automated control system. The system is programmed to ensure the exact quantity of base oil required is transferred into the ABB, and also facilitated by load cells. Blending operations, mixing, heating, and recirculation continue until oil is fully homogenized and moisture is removed. The product is sampled and taken to the laboratory for analysis and certification. Viscosity Index Improver Manufacturing. Viscosity Index Improver is a highly viscous lubricant additive made from mixing base and melting polymer in base oil. First of all, the polymer bale is added manually into the shredding machine. The shredding machine helps the bale to cut into small pieces, which further solubilize into the base at a higher temperature of the base oil. Product transfer to finished product tank. Once the product is certified fit for filling, it is transferred from the blending tank ABB to the finished product tank FPT using the central automation software system, filling and packaging of 1 to 4 liters. The finished product is transferred from the finished product tanks to the filling and packaging line. The packaging line starts with a leak testing machine and ends with a robotic palletizer. The filling line is high speed and gives 60 bottles in a minute, which means almost 1 second for 1 bottle. The operator loads the empty cans on the leak testing machine. No leak bottles are transferred to the labeling machine, where labels are applied. Lube oil comes from the finished product tank. and is transferred to an ultra-high-speed linear filling machine with 16 heads. The filled bottles move to a 6-head capping machine where they are capped. The capped bottles are passed through an induction sealing machine which provides a leak-free sealing of the bottles. Robotic pick and pack. The case erector machine erects the carton in open mouth type and comes to packing position through a set of roller conveyors. Once the carton is in packing position, the robotic arms pick and place the filled bottles into the carton. Robotic palletizer. The cartons are made to automatically travel through roller conveyors to the accumulation conveyor, where the robotic palletizer picks the carton and places it on a wooden pallet. Filling of drums or 25 liters. The oil from the finished product tank is transferred to the drum filling machine, which is used to fill 25-liter plastic containers and 200-liter drums as well, with minor adjustment. Warehouse storage to logistics. Various types of products are stored in the warehouse depending upon sales. Local and export goods are packed in containers and sent for logistic purposes. Plastic manufacturing plant. We are having various types of blow molding machines used for the manufacturing of 1 liter, 4 liters, 25 liters, and 200 liters L-ring plastic containers. We are also having an injection molding machine used for manufacturing various types of caps, such as 1 liter caps, 4 liter caps, 25 liter caps, and 200 liter caps.